Division of Kingdom Plantae. Kingdom Plantae is further divided into various divisions at the first level, according to fact that plant body has well-differentiated, distinct components. Kingdom Plantae is next divided into various divisions, according to the fact that differentiated plant body has special tissues for the transport of water and other substances within it. Kingdom Plantae is further divided into various divisions according to ability to bear seeds and the whether seeds are enclosed within fruits. Kingdom Plantae is further divided into two divisions, cryptogams with spores hidden reproductive organs. Thallophytes, bryophytes, and pteridophytes come under this division. Phanerogams with seeds. Gymnosperms and angiosperms come under this division.